Welcome to this video which will show you how to navigate the Employment Tribunal online portal. This video has been developed to provide you an understanding of how the Employment Tribunal online portal works and to make you aware of the available functionality. And this video will explain who is eligible to use the system, how to submit a claim, access to the portal, and how to interact with the key features of the portal. This online portal are for individuals who wish to make a claim to the Employment Tribunal. If you are using a search engine, enter "make a claim to the Employment Tribunal" or navigate to the site on gov.uk/employment-tribunals. Once you've found the right link, you click on "make a claim to an Employment Tribunal," gov.uk, and now you're on a page of "make a claim to the Employment Tribunal." Please do read the guidance available in order to help you with your claim, and once you're ready, you click on the blue link on "make your claim." There will be further guidance to help you, and once you're ready, under "make a claim online," you click on "claim online." And then you're on this page of "make a claim to Employment Tribunal," and once you've read the guidance, you can click on "start now." When you start to make a claim, the postcode of where you work or worked will dictate which tribunal office your claim will go to. Currently, there are two digital ways to make a claim, as not all offices provide the portal service. Where you can tell the difference is where you answer all the questions and it takes you to a sign in or create an account. This will be for the portal. Where it takes you to a page called "saving your claim," this will be the one without the portal. The web page will direct you to the relevant claim form based on your answers provided. We expect by the summer that any claims submitted at that period will go via the portal. Now that you've got to this landing page as previously shown on the video, this clip will show you how to start the claim, which will then lead you to create an account on the portal. Throughout, it's quite important that you read all the guidance information available to help you complete your claim. Here there's a "before you continue," is to make sure you've got the relevant information to hand. Then you would put in the postcode of where you worked or work. And here you'll be claiming on your own or behalf of someone else. There will be expandable boxes throughout this to give you further information in case you require to take any of this further before you continue with your claim. And here on this example, I'm representing myself and making my own claim. And I will tick "I am claiming on my own." There will be a question in relation to if you have an ACAS certificate. And then it'll be asking you what type of claim you're making. Here you can tick "one or more" on this particular page. And then it will take you to create an account page. You'd click on "create an account" and you will provide your first name and last name and email address. Once you click on "continue," An email will be sent to your inbox with instructions. Once you're ready, you can either click the link in your email, or if you go back to this landing page where it says already have an account, you click on sign in to your account, and then you'll put in the email address and password that you've registered with. Now, once you've logged into your portal account, you can then continue with completing the claim form. Once you've logged into your portal, it shows that you do not have to complete your claim in one go. And here you would answer all the questions underneath these sections, and once you've completed them, the not started will change to complete, which this video will now change to. And once you've completed and answered all the relevant questions in those sections, you could then check your answers. And once you click on check your answers, it takes you to the equality and diversity questions, which is optional. And here you'll have your check your answers. So these are all the answers that you've provided on the questions asked on the claim. You've got the ability here to change any of those answers. So in this example, I've clicked on change, and you can save as draft throughout the completion of the claim. Once you've checked your answers and you're happy with the answers you've provided to the questions asked, you could then click on submit. Once you click on submit, the claim is now gone to the relevant tribunal. You will also receive an email confirmation that it has been submitted. There is a submission reference that you should make note of. It will give you the claim submitted date, and also you've got the ability to save a copy of your claim. When you click on that link, it will provide you with a PDF document with all the answers to the questions that you submitted. In addition to this, you will also have access to the ET1 on the portal. Here it's just showing you the ability to save the ET1 onto your system as well. Now that your claim has been submitted, the tribunal will then review the claim and take the necessary action. You can now sign out, and then you can sign in, and you'll have access to the portal, which will be on the next slide. Now that you've submitted your claim, you can log back into your account and you will see the portal dashboard. So on the landing page, you return to an existing claim. You would tick, I've got a new Employment Tribunal account. And here you will enter your details. Once you signed in, you will now see a portal view. On the top, you'd see the name. It would be your name versus the respondent name, the case number, and the portal is broken down into several sections. This blue box here will change depending on when the tribunal or the other party corresponds with you. You have access to your claim, and here it shows it's been submitted. Once a response has been received, you will have access to the response. You'll have information about your hearings, any applications made to the tribunal, any orders and requests from the tribunal, judgments from the tribunal, and also order case documents. On the top half here, you would see the 4 circles. So once the claim has been accepted, that will turn into green as confirmed, and you also get a notification. And it will show the response received, your hearing details, and your claim decision. So this portal will give you access to the case as it progresses throughout the tribunal. Every time there is an action on the actual case or claim, there will be an email notification to your registered email address, and you can access the portal in order to see what's occurred on your claim and also have the ability to access the documentation that's been issued. This could be the tribunal issuing correspondence, or when the other party has made an application and has copied you in. So this portal will give you access to your claim and also check progress throughout its life cycle. This portal will allow you to interact with the tribunal, giving you the ability to submit requests or applications. Once you're logged into the portal, you can go to the right hand side, and under I want to, you can click on the link Contact the Tribunal about my case. Once you click on that link, it will take you to a list of applications or requests, and under each one, once you click on show, it will give you a brief description of that type of application or request. And here there is a list of those, and you would choose the one that's relevant to the type of application or request you want to make. On this particular example, we're going to contact the tribunal about something else and click on the link, and that will take you to another page which gives you more information. You can either put your application or request or the detail of that into this box, or you can also upload a document if you wish to. Again, I'd like to use this opportunity to ensure that you should read all the guidance available on the pages. Once you're happy, you click on continue. There'll be a further question in terms of copying this correspondence to the other party. This is in order to satisfy the rules of procedure. Again, you could click on yes or no, and once you're happy with your selection, you could then click on continue. And then there'll be a final check your answers page, and you'll click on submit. Here you can opportunity to change any of the answers, and once you click on submit, there will be a confirmation page. Alongside this, you will get an email notification. Once you've done that, it will take you back to the dashboard. And you can track where the application is. If you scroll down to application to the tribunal and click on your requests and applications, here it will give you the detail of the type of application you've made, and there's a summary including the content that you've submitted. The status currently says in progress, so again you're waiting for the tribunal to review that application or request. On the previous clip, it showed you how to submit an application. On this one, the tribunal has responded to the application, and you can see here there's a blue important box where it says the tribunal has responded to your application to contact about something else. So you can now access the response by either clicking on View the Response, or if you scroll further down, you can click on Your Requests and Applications. So I would click on View the Response, and there you would see the application you made initially, and then the response. You can see it was sent by the tribunal, and it says please see letter issued, and then you can click on that blue link to access the document. And once you've clicked on that blue box has now disappeared, but you will still have the record of that request and application and the response by clicking it this way, and you would see there again the top half of your application or request and the response made by the tribunal. This is now the end of the demonstration. Thank you, and I hope you found this demonstration helpful.